Hello, my friends. I am Peymon Mottahedeh, the president of Freedom Law School since 1996. In this presentation, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the third victory of myself and Freedom Law School over the IRS. If you go to livefreedom.org, our website, and go on the top to under victories, Freedom Law School victories over the IRS is the first item there. You open it up, it takes you here. And you go down to victory number 3 is where it says in 2003-2016, Freedom Law School beats IRS's bogus claim of Freedom Law School, Peymon being an abusive tax shelter promoter. You can click on the victory details here and it gives you detail of it, what it is. And the first thing is a concession letter to the IRS that Freedom Law School is not an abusive tax shelter promoter right here from IRS's San Diego office here, dated on the top right, July 11, 2016, by Aroma Patel. And you scroll down on this letter, she writes to me, Dear Mr. Mottahedeh, we are discontinuing our investigation into whether you are liable for a penalty under Internal Revenue Code section, so on and so forth. This letter should not be construed to mean that the Internal Revenue Service approves your conduct. Rather, it simply is a notice that your investigation has been discontinued at this time. But why is this such a big deal? The reason this is such a big deal is because, folks, back in 2001, IRS started attacking dozens and dozens, if not hundreds, of tax freedom-related organizations out there as an abusive tax shelter promoter. Drag them into federal court, not criminally, not to put them in jail, but to before one federal district court judge, and had the judge rule that this guy is an abusive tax shelter promoter, and the judge would order the guy to put, first of all, to shut down. Don't do your organization anymore because you are found to be promoting abusive tax shelters. Okay, so not wanting to stop you, to put you out of any work or business you're doing. 2, they impose penalties on you, sometimes in hundreds of thousands of dollars, based upon a number of people on your mailing list, which are assumed to be your customers, and they penalize you per customer or someone on your mailing list. All these penalties. And then on your website, you have to put an order that you're stopped, you're got an injunction against you, that order, on your front page of your website. So that everybody that comes to your website sees, ooh, this guy's been ruled against by the federal judge. He's a scammer. I should stay away from him. I don't want to be in trouble. Okay? And if you don't do that, any of those things, the court, the judge, can find you in contempt or disobeying the court's order and put you in federal prison. They did that successfully to over 100 organizations in 2001 and 2. Well, they didn't try it with me. In 2003, they finally approached me to try to get me on that, but they couldn't because I've done nothing wrong and they know it. See, the fact that they would not even dare take me to court says a lot, because they know if they take me to court and not beat them, that would be worse than me. They're simply just going away. So to see the initial investigation in 2003, that's how it started. What you're going to do is on this victory page, there's a link right here to see how it all started in 2003, an exchange of letters between me and the IRS. You click here, okay? And when you do that, it takes you to this page. And on this page, you see a sample of the correspondence letters. After introduction, there you see the correspondence between me and the IRS that started on April 16, 2003 and ended June 25, 2003. So there's only 5 letters between me and the IRS. Actually, there's 6 one. And you can check it out for yourself in more detail. Or if you find out more how I did that, click in the description below or the box that comes up. Okay, the next video in the description, and there's going to be 3-minute explanation of this in more detail. IRS has not tried to take me to court because they know they'll lose. And they don't want to give me more publicity by coming after me knowing that I'll beat them. Instead, after 13 years, they finally gave up. And folks, you can be free as well, my friends. All you got to do is go to our website, folks, at livefreenow.org. Start from the front page. That based on U.S. government's official websites, there is no law requiring 99% of Americans to file and pay income tax. And to see the proof of that, on your drive to and from work, listen to this 9-minute video, okay? That's how you start living free with this 9-minute video. And on our website, continue watching. This puts you on a playlist, and you start living free. So go to livefreenow.org now, or the full video of this thing, and start living free now.